Let's learn the noun condition. As a plural noun, it can talk about a general situation that affects something else. The weather conditions are good today. Our product failed because the market conditions were not good. As a singular noun, it can just refer to the physical state of something. I'm not paying that. That car's in terrible condition. I need to do more exercise. I'm not in good condition. A condition is a thing that's necessary for something else to happen. Contracts and agreements often have these. I'll help on one condition. You drive me home afterwards. I can get a refund. It's in the conditions of sale. So, conditions are circumstances. The condition of something is what state it's in, and a condition allows something to happen. Remember that, and your English will be in good condition.
The verb mean is used to express or show a thought, idea, or fact. I don't know the word photosynthesis. What does it mean? If you want to know what it means, look it up in a dictionary. Mean can also show that a particular result has been achieved. These numbers mean the experiment was a success. Her new pay rise means she can afford a better phone. Again, as a verb, mean is similar to intend. Did he mean to write Thursday? I thought the party was Tuesday. Sorry, I meant to call you earlier, but my phone broke yesterday. As an adjective, mean describes a person who is unkind or not generous. I'm upset. She said some really mean things. I hope this video helps you understand what mean means. Conduct, as a noun, refers to the behaviour of a person, particularly in a specific place or situation. It's more often written than spoken. The teacher praised the conduct of the children on the trip. In the same way, conduct can be used as a verb, meaning how someone behaves. In this way, it is followed by a reflexive pronoun. In this job, you must conduct yourself professionally at all times. Also, as a verb, conduct can mean organise and do. It's often used with nouns like experiment and survey. The class conducted an experiment using oil and vinegar. Finally, conduct as a verb is used to mean direct the performance of a piece of music or musicians. The orchestra was conducted superbly. Let's learn several. So, several is a quantifier. It tells us how much there is. It's not exact, but it's more than two and less than many. We use it in front of plural nouns. I spent several hours looking for my purse. There are several reasons why I can't answer that question. We can use it with other determiners, but here we add of. Several of my friends don't have cars. You got several of the answers wrong. Like many quantifiers, we can also use it as a pronoun. That's instead of a noun, rather than in front of it. I didn't know which key to use, so I tried several. Good restaurants in town? There are several. So several is used to talk about quantity. If you want programs to help you with English, you'll find several on our website. Let's learn effort. It's a noun, and the first meaning is similar to hard work. I would help you, but it's too much effort. It takes effort to succeed. You do realise that, right? If we use effort as a countable noun, it can mean an attempt to do something. We've got to make a real effort to get there on time. It was my best effort, but it wasn't good enough. Effort as a countable noun can also mean something that's difficult to do. Sometimes it's a real effort to wake up in the morning. I'm trying to learn a new language, but it's a real effort. So, effort is all about hard work. It can refer to the work itself or what we do with that work. Don't forget, we're here to support your efforts in learning English. The adjective well means in a good way. It's often related to health. I haven't been well. In fact, I've been off work for a few days. We can also use it as an adverb to mean in a good way. You've made this skirt very well. You're good at sewing. Also, as an adverb, well can be used to emphasize adjectives and prepositions. The library is beautiful. It's well worth visiting. Again, as an adverb, well can mean thoroughly. I'm happy to ask Harry for help. I know him well. Finally, in speaking, we often use well at the start of a phrase, particularly when we're thinking about what we want to say. Do you find English a difficult language? Well, I do, but it's easier with BBC Learning English. Light is brightness that helps us see, like the light from the sun. I woke up early because the light was coming into the room. Our hallway doesn't have a window, so there's very little light. Light can be a physical thing, like a bulb, that gives brightness. When the film started, the lights were turned down. I can't see. Can you turn the light on, please? As a verb, light means to make something bright or burn. Let's light our new candle. When camping, you might light a fire using stones, wood, and grass. Lastly, light as an adjective often means not heavy. You can carry the light suitcase. This one is very heavy.
Let's learn major. We can use it as an adjective. Something major could be important or large. London, Beijing, and New York are major world cities. Dairy is one of the 5 major food groups. It can also be something that's serious. Pollution is a major problem in many cities. It's just a little cut, nothing major. Major is also used to talk about university courses, especially in the US. As a noun, someone's major is the main subject they study. Economics is my major, so I need to get good marks. It could also be used as a verb. I majored in science. You should major in maths if you want to be a coder. Major is all about importance. If learning English is a major part of your life, we're here to help. Let's learn company. It's a noun, and the first meaning of company is a business. A company can be an organisation that makes money from goods and services. She's a businesswoman. She runs her own company. The best companies hire the best staff. The other common meanings are about people. If you're with people, they're company. And usually when we talk about company, it's a good thing. I hate being alone. I need some company. I love spending time with you. You're great company. Of course, it's not always good. He's so annoying. He's such bad company when he's like this. If you can't respect others, you're just bad company. So, company is about businesses or people. If you need company while you're learning English, we'll be there.
Will is used when you make a spontaneous decision and then take action. It's a modal auxiliary verb and is often contracted, so I will becomes I'll. Is someone at the door? I'll get it. It's cold, isn't it? I'll shut the window. Also, as an auxiliary verb, will can be used to talk about the future, especially things that are planned or that you are certain about. My dad will turn 60 next month. It'll be hot on holiday. Will can also be used to show what something or someone is able to do or wants to do. She won't take us to the party. Will you drive us there? In the same way, it can be used as a noun. He is really determined. He has the will to succeed. And finally, will can be used to show a promise. I'll be back with another lesson soon.